Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So let's discuss the dashboard, our channel dashboard. Um, we have, as you know, we have a playlist in our channel that is related to the SOP for a creator. Means uh, those. I'm targeting those who are either planning to run a channel on YouTube or uh, they are already running the channel on the YouTube, but they want to learn from my experience. I have made a playlist for, if you see, if you go to the contents and go to the playlist, and you have the SOP for the YouTube creators, right? So in this, we have the two videos which are very useful. I mean, it's as I was growing my channel, I was developing, I was proceeding with my videos, changing the thumbnail, etc., or and sometimes making and different experimentation and sharing my experience with all my YouTube viewers. So there are certain shorts also. So this is a playlist intended to those viewers, those audience who are uh, um, who want to make a good use of the dashboard and using the Excel automation skills. Yeah, they can monitor. They can develop a watchdog. I have many places you can see that I have used the word watchdog because it is watching, keeping an eye on your YouTube performance and downloading the and it's downloading of all the uh, analytics data and then doing and finding out that how we can improve our performance in our channel, how we can target more audience, how we can increase our watch time and subscribers, etc. So there are plenty of stuff already made available by YouTube, but if we do not use that stuff, it is a creator's mistake that they are not utilizing. That's a wonderful piece of information already available there, which is going to help you make the decision making for uh, how to proceed with your channel, right? So the foremost is the analytics. Yeah, you go to the analytics. In analytics, you have a graph, and the graph is telling you that your day-to-day activity is sometime increasing, sometimes coming down. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes yeah. So what is and what then you have to relate that with the video contents and with the quality of your staff and what did you do that it went down and what did you do that it went up, yeah, what did so this is yesterday's uh, development that the graph went extremely high, very good, means extraordinary. So for this you got to query that what was more liked thing, what was the thing which was liked by the viewers, why this uh, was increased, why the trend is showing that it's increasing. So that would give you the roadmap for your success in this. So let's go to the also more details on it, and you can see this is this graph is persistent. It is again coming graph, and it is telling you exactly the video which is causing this. This is the video which we recently uploaded, right? Updating internal tables. There's a ABAP, right? Internal tables are in ABAP. So ABAP is being more liked as compared to the other things by the audience as compared to the other stuff, right? Okay, that is one the conclusion you can do that you should focus on and keep on uh, uh, making more interesting things for your audience, right? So this is only about that. The, the difference which is making is this one video updating internal table using SQL commands, and it was in English, right? Okay. So because I make videos in two languages, one is English, the other is Hindi. So I must know that which language is making the difference. Okay, so 39 views within the one day of October 23, 2024. Right. So let's go and see that what is the geography. The geography is telling the same thing again. So all the impact is it is the same. You see how it resembles. If we go back to the comment, this this graph, this trend resembles with the geography. And this geography is for okay, the Qatar, right? My viewers in the Qatar are are actually using those videos that was pointed out. The one video was making the difference. So this is that one video. Okay, maybe in Qatar we have more SAP users. So we can presume that on the basis of this data. Now the date in the date you can see game on this day, this has increased. So 23rd of 71 views all there, and the 8 cents estimated revenue. Right? So this graph is telling you plenty of things that what you can do, and what the current trend is going with your with respect to your channel. So I would be focusing on my SAP videos, increase its quality, increase its frequency, and make my mm, my audience engaged with my videos with interesting stuff. Right. So this is the uh, short roadmap which you can deduce from these information which the dashboard is providing. Also, you can see the lifetime, right? If you go to the lifetime, so you until now you have 45,000 views, 40 almost 46,000, right? Views, and 5,800, right? You're reaching 6,000 watch time hours, and this is the $18 which you have so far earned, right? Okay, if I want to see that which of my contents earn more revenue, so that I focus on those topics. Okay, so I go to the contents. It is still lifetime, right? And I sort my this thing into with the estimated revenue, so that the highest comes up and so on. So it is sorted now. The most liked video among this, yeah, among $18, we have almost $1 to my this video, the YouTube creator, right? So utilizing your automation skills, your VBA, and you're sharing this information with your YouTube creators, so that they can day to day do keep an eye on their contents, and keep the improvements, and use the analytics of the dashboard to improve. So this is most liked and welcomed by our audience, right? So I should be focusing on this more. So this video is also, and that I will include this video into the same playlist, right? That is with that I showed you, right? If you go to the contents in the dashboard, then you will have the playlist, right? Okay. So this is clearly telling you that I should focus on this stuff that's more uh, welcomed by my audience. The next is the expo. Yeah, this was a video that is the almost for 3/4 of the dollar, mm, 75, 77 cents. So that means uh, this is an enhancement in which what we exported the sheet port module to X5. A good idea that you can do. So people liked it, and that earned me almost $1, right? And the next is the third most wanted, most popular is the sales order user form development. Yeah, in which we develop a form in which the users enter the sales order, right, and keeping an eye on the availability of the stocks and pickup. So this was a good thing, and this is also $1/2, more than $1/2 on this one single video, right? So I have almost 600 or more videos already loaded. So among them, only one video has the $1 out of these $18 earned so far. $1 is on here, and yeah, more than half a dollar is on this single video, right? Whereas, so this is very useful to keep an eye on it, and keep in watch on it, and then decide your contents, and improve the quality of the stuff which you present to your viewers. So I hope you enjoyed it. This presentation, and also you have this export uh, current view, yeah, that allows you around 500 uh, views, data of 500 things. Means at the moment you have only 50 in here, but when you download them, then you get 500, a sheet containing of 500, right? So then you can use that for analysis, right? Let's go and see. It has already downloaded. So let's go to the download, and you see this is uh, well, you can download, and normally it gives you that the path from on which it is creating. Yeah. This message will open in a separate, and then it will see, say another message here. This is open in the new chat file. So this file, so you have around 500 rows of information and all, right? And these all are showing you exactly, and then you can do the sorting of your own preference, and then around 400, showing up to 500 results, right? So I have more than 500, maybe more than 600 videos. Of them, I have so far earned, that's the performance is not very good, that it gives you only $18 so far. Well, so I I would know that how would I should proceed. Focus on what my audience are liking, and they want to see, so that I can decide on the basis of all this information. Then you have the chart data, you have the table data, you have the chart data also, and you have the totals as well, right? For day-wise totals. If you are focusing on the revenues, then you have these are the revenue fields, right? You can filter and find out that which day made the difference, right? So this the last day was $8 when my graph went exceptionally up, right? So, so you can see that if you get back to the dashboard and you see that your your last day was exceptionally good, right? 27%. So thank you very much for watching. I will come up with more ideas for the creators as soon as I get some more experience, and we all are learning. Thank you very much.